Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are going thrifting. Right now, we are at Goodwill. This is $3. In the end, I'm going to show you what I got and how I styled it or refinished it and styled it. And I'd love to know if you guys see anything that you would have gotten and how you would have styled it or refinished it. And any tips and tricks you guys have, please leave them below for all of us. I'm newer to thrifting and I would love to hear what you guys think. As I look around, I try to think of ways of how I would style what I'm seeing or even refinish what I'm seeing and then how I would style it once it was finished. But sometimes when I look back, I'm like, dang, I should have got that. Like this basket, $4. That is really cute. I didn't get it. But I wish I would have. I could have had some florals popping out of the top of it. This one was only $1. And these candlesticks were $1. Those were like painted wood. They were very light. This stand here or console table is really nice. I love the top of it. I love how there's like 3 panels there. It's only $15 and it's from Ethan Allen Furniture. And I definitely picked that up. I was so excited when I see that. I'm going to be refinishing it. This one is $10. But I'm going to refinish that stand and I will share that in a video coming soon. Here now we are at the Salvation Army. They categorize a lot of their things by color. That was $4. I thought about getting this vase and refinishing it. It was only $2. And depending on what days you go, like the certain tags are 99 cents or half off. But I decided not to do that just because I didn't need it. $2 for that bowl, $3 for the pitcher, $3 for that pitcher, the strawberry dishes, 2. That was 3. I actually went back to get that, but it was gone. Crate and Barrel. It's like a little creamer, $3. And this, we're at Habitat for Humanity. It was $150 and I got it for $75. I was very excited when I seen that and the price. I love the arch on the top. That will also be in an upcoming video of a refinishing. And I just actually finished that. So once I get it all together, I will share that with you guys and I can't wait to hear what you think. They have a lot of nice things here at Habitat for Humanity. $10 for the set of 2 rustic shelves. They had several of these too, these Lazy Susans. These were 8. This is 4. Looking back, I kind of like that a lot too. They had some baskets to pick from. $4. This one is 3. $4.50. I've actually been looking for one this shape. I thought about refinishing that, but I decided not to get that one. $4. So I've been on the hunt for one like that. Even though I seen this one, I didn't get it. $4.50. Sometimes when you're there, you're like, should I get it? I don't know. And then you go home and you're like, man, why didn't I get that? Those were $1 for the apple dish. And there's that one too, but like I didn't want it that curved, so I'm being a little selective about it, but um, I'll keep looking. I thought this desk was neat. That would be a good refinishing project. That was only $28. This coffee table, $24. This is, I think that was 8 or 7. 249. That's from Pottery Barn. I like looking at the baskets and I try to find some hearth and hand things there. This I know is from Target, from the dollar section, and they marked it for $9. I actually remember getting mine for 5. This is 18. We are back at the Goodwill. That was 5. Sometimes I think they charge too much, but here is this wooden bowl, $3. I love that. But yeah, I definitely remember getting my tray, the same exact one for $5 from the Target dollar spot, and they charged 9. $2. This is a dollar. And this little creamer on the bottom there, I got that, not creamer, sugar. I got the little sugar one, and then I picked this up as well. They were each a dollar. I picked up the bowl for 3, and then I cannot find where I got that one from, but I know it was at Goodwill and it was $2. And that is how I styled the cream and sugar. I love that. It's so cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. This is the bowl that I had picked up. I want to refinish it. I want to make it look aged. That's the plan anyway. I got some acetone. Make sure you wear gloves when you use the acetone, and it is, it's what you use when you take off your nail polish, but it cleans very well and it takes off the finish. See all that yuckiness? So we're going to get that cleaned really good, get that finish off, start sanding. It was a little awkward to sand the inside of it just because, my sander couldn't get those curves very well. So I did take some sandpaper, some really rough grit sandpaper, and was just sanding away. And then I took some tools and tried to beat it up a little bit. Due to how each side of the bowl has like a crack in it, I didn't want to hit it too hard and have it break open. So I did some light damaging to it, light scuffing, make it look old, and I just love how it looks. I really hope I could find another one because I would love to do that again. Let me know what you guys think down below until I get some faux artichokes, which a couple of you guys had mentioned in one of my previous videos to put as bowl filler, which I love that idea. I really want to find some. The ones that I find so far have been a little bit pricey, so if you guys know a cheaper option, please let me know down below. I really want to get some. And then I got that basket. It was either 1 or $2, but I like how it's a little bit broken, gives it some character. Add this little bit of greenery to it. Put in a cookbook. I love that cookbook. I love the Joanna Gaines stuff. This is a Hearth and Hand flower towel or tea towel. And just bunch that up and put that in there. Add another piece of the greenery. I don't know if you guys could see in the background, but my household is always active. My dogs and my kids, they're all running around and playing. But I love it, and I love how that looks. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Let me know down below what you guys thought, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.